The flag of this country is a white cross in the blue background. They call themselves Alba. And their motto is, "In my defense, God me defend." If you think about Scotland, you are absolutely right. As we all know, Scotland is a part of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It takes the northern third of the island of Great Britain. The capital of this part of the United Kingdom is heading there, but it is only the second largest in terms of population. The first is Glasgow. Scotland is the only part of the United Kingdom with the right to issue their own banknotes. Scotland even has its own national poet. His name is Robert Burns. He was born in 1759 and died in 1796. Burns Night, which is also called the Second National Day of Scotland, is celebrated on the 25th of January. People eat haggis on that day. Haggis is a national Scottish dish. Scotland is a part of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Scotland is famous for its national food, costumes, and traditions. To talk about Scotland, we need some words. Accompany – сопровождать. Bagpiper – волынщик. Celebrate – праздновать. Entertaining – развлекательный, забавный. Entertainment – развлечение, увеселение. Haggis – шотландское блюдо, бараний рубец, начиненный потрохами со специями. Heart – сердце. Host – хозяин, хозяйка. Knife – нож. Liver – печень. Lung – легкое. Mashed – размятый, растертый. Oatcake – овсяное печенье. Pipe – труба, волынка, играть на волынке. Poet – поэт. Recite – читать вслух и наизусть. Scottish – шотландский. Sharp – острый. Sherry trifle – бисквит, пропитанный вином. Starter – закуска. Supper – ужин. Toast – говорить тост. Tradition – традиция. Turnip – репа. Welcome – приветствовать. Be in for a treat – быть угощенным.